In this video, you learn how to reset and also restart your Microsoft Edge browser, simple and easy. So now let's start. To do this, let's move to this section, top right corner of our screen, 3 bars, tap on that, move to your settings, and good. Now let's first reset our settings here. So tap on this here. So you can see reset settings, tap on reset to reset everything. Good. So now to restart it, we want to clear everything. Now let's move to our browsing history. You get, so now let's come to privacy and searches and let's clear everything. Now let's come here. So on this section, what we are going to do is we clear the data now. So choose what you want to clear, select all time since you are wanting to restart it, select everything, cached everything, autofill everything for the browser to feel new. That's what we are trying to do. So we clear everything. Good. And now after the clearance, we are done. The browser is going to feel new now. Our history, everything is being cleared, every account and everything. And also the settings has also been reset. And that's it on how you reset and also restart your Microsoft Edge browser. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.